Have you ever been told that mistakes are bad, that things should be perfect, that randomness is chaos, that noise means something is broken? But here's the surprising truth. Everything beautiful in the universe depends on mistakes. Randomness builds complexity. Noise drives creativity. Imperfections shape life, stars, planets, and even your mind. Today we're going to explore why the universe needs mistakes to grow, evolve, and stay alive. Mistakes are experiments. A mistake is not a failure. It is an experiment. When a snowflake forms, every branch is slightly different because tiny mistakes in temperature and pressure change its shape. When crystals grow, their edges wobble because atoms bump in randomly. When stars form, their masses vary because turbulence in clouds pushes them in unpredictable ways. These differences are what give the universe texture, variety, and beauty. If everything were perfect, everything would be identical. There would be no stars, no planets, no you. Mistakes drive creativity on a cosmic scale. Randomness builds possibilities. Randomness is not the enemy. Randomness is the source of new ideas the universe can test. Think of it like rolling a cosmic dice. Some outcomes fail. Some outcomes fall apart. But some outcomes survive and become the next stable pattern. This is how atoms formed. This is how life evolved. This is how galaxies took shape. Randomness creates the possibilities. Persistence picks the winners. Nothing grows without variation. Noise creates diversity. Noise is the small, messy, chaotic stuff we usually try to remove. But in nature, noise does something powerful. In your brain, noise helps neurons explore new pathways, so you can learn faster. In ecosystems, noise in weather and climate creates tough species that can survive change. In music, a little noise gives a note character. In the early universe, tiny random ripples in density became galaxies. Without noise, the universe would be smooth and empty. Noise is the seed of structure. Life needs mistakes to evolve. Life cannot improve without mutation. Every creature on Earth is the result of millions of tiny copying mistakes. Some mistakes were harmful. Most did nothing. A few created wings, lungs, eyes, fins, flowers, intelligence, you. Evolution is learning through mistakes. Without mutation, life stays frozen. With mutation, life invents. Mistakes made life possible. Stars need instability to shine. Even stars depend on mistakes. If gravity and pressure were perfectly balanced, with no fluctuations, a star would never ignite. It's the small instabilities, the tiny unevenness, the noise inside the gas that lets fusion begin. Stars shine because the early universe was not perfect. The light you see in the night sky is the product of cosmic imperfection. Brains use noise to think. Your brain is not a perfect machine. It is a messy network. Signals wiggle, connections wander, thoughts collide with randomness. This is not a bug. This is a feature. Noise lets your brain invent, feel, dream, create, solve problems, imagine new futures. Pure order cannot think. Pure randomness cannot learn. Your brain stays alive by balancing both. Planets form from chaos. Planets form from dust grains crashing into each other in messy, chaotic ways. Most collisions fail. Some bounce away, some shatter. A tiny fraction stick. That tiny fraction becomes planets. Earth exists because enough chaotic collisions got lucky. Noise builds worlds. The PIWG connection. This brings us back to the heart of the idea. The persistence information weave says that information tries to survive by weaving itself into stable patterns. The Carroll-Wells gradient says those patterns scale upward from atoms to galaxies. But here's the key. Patterns only grow because randomness gives them new options. Mistakes feed the weave. Noise feeds the gradient. Variation feeds persistence. The universe improves itself by trying things, keeping what works, and letting the rest fade. This is learning through imperfection. Imperfection is the creative engine. Think about everything around you. Your fingerprints are unique because noise shaped them. Your voice is unique because tiny imperfections shape the sound. Tree rings are unique because weather noise carves each year differently. Are unique because the early universe had tiny random ripples. Perfection is the universe's signature. Without it, everything would be flat, empty, and lifeless. With it, the universe becomes creative, diverse, and alive. So the next time you make a mistake, the universe is built on mistakes. Noise creates possibilities. Randomness grows new ideas. And persistence carries the best patterns forward. You are not here in spite of imperfection. You are here because of it. Join us next time for episode 19, where we explore how balance, not perfection, keeps the universe stable, from particles to galaxies.